have to control the media. We are the khaira ummah. It's our job to deliver the message of truth to the whole humanity. We aren't doing it. Wallah, we aren't doing it. It's a shame on us. We require that we should have full-time Islamic satellite channels. We don't have a single. We have channels owned by Muslim countries, various, but they are not Islamic dawah channels. On those Muslim countries, you may see dramas, you may see Western movies, all sorts of things you see. What we want, Islamic dawah channels. Even the Qadianis have it. Do you know that Qadianis, MTV, Muslim TV, run by Qadianis, being from London. Handful of the people, handful there. It's a shame on us. What are we doing? There are talks in the Muslim world, oh, inshallah, within 1 year the channel is going to be launched. I'm hearing since IRF was started, since 7 years I'm hearing, the channel is going to come, the channel is going to come. Every time I travel, channel is going to come. We have the petrodollars with us, but we don't have a single Islamic full-time dawah channel. It's a shame on us. How many Islamic channels do we have? I know of many Muslims owning many entertainment channels. Many, 5, 10, 20, many. I don't want to name them, you may be knowing. They have groups of channels. How many Islamic channels do we have? How many channels do we have for dawah? The first one that was launched was by Qadianis. MTVA, Muslim TV Ahmadiyya. Muslim TV Ahmadiyya, and it even comes in UAE, in Dubai.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could see far into the future and realize that we would be in a time of a global family where a word from Arabia needed to reach Africa and Asia and America and the islands, and He created these things for that purpose. These are the tools of Quran. And by Allah's grace, through radio and television and satellite and this MTA system we have here and the internet, the Holy Quran is reaching all of us by God's grace, and we should take advantage of these devices and the blessing of these devices and these technologies to bring the Quran into our lives.
We answer to our Imam, and we answer to one God, and that is something that no other channel can do except MTA.
Thus, as we look at all these machines and gadgets and inventions and technology nowadays, they were not created just for communication or education or stimulation of the human mind. Their purpose was much grander than that. Their purpose was to enable the beautiful message of the Holy Quran to reach every single habitation, every single home, every single human heart in this day and age.